In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show product variants on the product page in Shopify Sense theme. If you're using the Sense theme and your size or color choices aren't appearing, don't worry. Sense supports variant pickers out of the box. The key is setting up the product options correctly, and if you want a polished experience, pairing the right images to each variant. Start in your Shopify admin. Open Products, select the product you want, and scroll to the Variants area. If the product doesn't have options yet, add them. Create clear option names like color or size, then enter the values, such as red, blue, and green, or S, M, and L. Keep names consistent across products so filters and swatches behave predictably. When you save, Shopify generates a separate variant for each combination, and that's what the Sense theme will display as selectable choices. Next, assign images to variants for a seamless, visual experience. In the product editor, make sure all your images are uploaded under Media. Then open each variant and link the image that represents it. For color variants, match the image to the color as closely as possible and keep the framing consistent. In the Sense theme, selecting a variant will automatically switch the main product image to the one you assigned, which helps customers confirm they're choosing the right option. Preview your product on your live theme to confirm everything looks right. From Online Store, open your current theme preview, navigate to the product page, and look near the title or price for the variant selectors. Depending on settings, they may appear as drop-downs, buttons, or swatches. Click through a few options and make sure the price, availability, and images update as expected. If the variants still don't show, check your theme settings or recent code changes. In the theme editor for your product template, look for the Product Information section and ensure the variant picker is enabled and not hidden by a block setting. Choose your preferred style, drop-downs or swatches, without turning the picker off. If you or a developer customized code, compare it with the default Sense files, or temporarily disable custom CSS or JavaScript that might be hiding the selector. A quick test in a private browser window can rule out cached styles or extensions. Save your changes, refresh the preview, and you're done. With options defined, images assigned, and settings confirmed, your Sense product pages will clearly show the variants customers need to buy with confidence.